Alright, hey everyone, got another padlock for you tonight. This is a old Yale, um, pretty heavy, though I think it is just a brass body, the hardened steel shackle. Looks like the entire thing, shackle included, was painted this green color at one point. I don't know if that was from the factory or before, or after I mean, but either way, looks pretty neat, and yeah, it's got a Yaokiwe, which is kind of my nemesis, so always a fun time. I think there are just standard pins in here, although I dropped into a false set and got them counter rotation one time, but I have no idea if that was an overset or what happened. But anyway, let's see if we can't get this thing picked here. There we go. Alright, yeah, see that shackle? It's super greasy and gross inside too. But yeah, so it looks like it was all painted that green color. Yeah, that looks like it was definitely from the factory. I don't think anybody would have painted in there. But anyway, pretty cool little lock. Alright all, have a good one. Take care.